Happy birthday, Sanjula ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Yes, good morning, everyone, and happy Teachers' Day to you all. I welcome you all on this sparkling Saturday morning for virtual celebrations on our own day. Yes, we are all teachers, so this is our own day. Every year, students of class 12 used to celebrate this day for us. But this year, we thought that if students are not here to arrange the event for us, then why not we do something to break the monotony of everyday course, live classes, making e-lectures, practice papers, exams, etc., etc., etc. I firmly believe nothing can stop us celebrating. So with the permission of our worthy principal ma'am, let us start our day with chanting of Gayatri Mantra. Shruti ma'am. Request all of you to please switch off your cameras and mics during the videos only, please. Dear friends, you must be missing the cards, the flowers, the Teachers' Day wishes showered upon you by the students as soon as you enter the school campus every year this day. But don't feel bad. Our students have still sent us their wishes through their e-cards. Let us have a look on them.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, we thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. इस
नहीं आ रहा.
How do you feel now? These are only some of the cards. We got hundreds of such cards for so many students. Your students are still with you. You are in the heart of your students. They appreciate you. They adore you. But don't get senti. Let us have some fun. Here is a game for you. The name of the game is Scratch Your Head. Now, I request Archana ma'am to tell you about the game. Over to you, Archana ma'am.
Thanks, Shiki ma'am, for presenting the love of our children in the form of this beautiful video. Good morning, everyone, and happy Teachers' Day. I am here to play with you the game Scratch Your Head, in which I will ask some funny questions to you, and the same will be displayed on my screen. And you have to answer it by writing the correct answer in the chat box. Whosoever will write the correct answer at the earliest will be the winner of that question. And the one who will give the maximum number of correct answers will win the game. So be ready to scratch your head to answer the question. And here it is. Which alphabet is a question?
Q.
Ma'am, you have to write in the chat box. Wrong. The correct answer is
Why?
Ma'am, please write down the answer only in the chat box and keep yourself mute. Thank you. The second one is, which alphabet is an insect? You have only 10 seconds to answer this one and write down the correct answer in the chat box. The correct answer is B. The next question is, which alphabet is a part of our body? The correct answer is I. Next one, which alphabet is a tool? Yes, the correct answer is X. Which alphabet is a drink?
So many teachers are giving correct answers.
Answer is T. Next one, which alphabet is a source of salt?
Again, so many correct answers. Sandhya ma'am was the first.
And the answer is C. Yes. Next one is, which alphabet is a vegetable?
Anu Kalra was the first to answer.
And the answer is, yes, right, P. Next one, the plural form of M.
Anju Pahuja, first to answer.
Yes, the correct answer is R. Now, in our fun quiz, you have to tell which famous faces I have blended together. I will show you a pic of two celebrities smashed together, and it's time for you to split them up. And again, you have to write the answer in the chat box. And here it is.
Hurry up, please.
And the correct answer is Shahid Kapoor and Johan Abraham.
Naitik Shiksha DAV was first to answer.
The next one is, now guess. Yes, hurry up. For this, the correct answer is Sonakshi Sinha and Priyanka Chopra.
Kusum Jangra ma'am was the first to answer correct.
Now the next one for you. It's very simple. And the correct answer is Shah Rukh Khan and Hrithik Roshan. The next one for you.
The first to answer.
Now guess this one. The correct one, Salman Khan and Vivek Oberoi.
And Poonam Mungia was first to answer correctly.
Now next one. And the answer is Karishma Kapoor and Shah Rukh Khan. Now guess this one.
अभिषेक बीवी का क्या नाम क्या है?
Please mute yourself. For this, Aishwarya Rai and Abhishek Bachchan. Now guess this one. And for this, the correct answer is Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan.
Many correct answers.
Great. Now scratch your head once again to solve the riddles. I am tall when I am young, and I am short when I am old. What am I? Answer is a candle. Next one. What month of the year has 28 days? Yes, teachers, it's very simple. And the answer is all of them.
Sumedha ma'am was the first ma'am to answer.
Me.
Next one. What is the full of holes but still holds water? A sponge.
Geeta ma'am. Science.
Next one. Great. Next one. There is a one-story house in which everything is yellow. Yellow walls, yellow doors, yellow furniture. What color are the stairs? There are not any because it is a one-story house.
Hats off, Kusum ma'am.
Next one. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. Next one. What gets wet while drying? A towel.
Poonam Mongia ma'am was first to answer.
What can you keep after giving to someone? Your word.
Correct answers.
Next one. You see a boat filled with people, yet there is not a single person on the boat. How it is possible? Because all the people on the boat are married.
No correct answers.
Teachers, scratch your mind fastly. Next one.
Is right.
I have branches but no fruit, trunk or leaves. What am I? A bank.
Yes, Naitik Shiksha DAV. Correct to answer first.
Next one. The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it? Darkness.
Vikas sir.
Great. Next one. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you can't touch me or catch me. What am I? Your shadow.
Savita ma'am was first to answer.
Let's see the next one. What is black when it is clean and white when it is dirty? All of us use a chalkboard. What gets bigger when more is taken away? A hole.
Pooja ma'am was first to answer.
And here is the last one. I am light as a feather, yet the strongest person cannot hold me for 5 minutes. What am I? Your breath.
Yes, so many correct answers again.
I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for your active participation. Over to you, Shikhi ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Archana ma'am. कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, पर चाहे जो भी हो, हमसे प्यार भी करते हैं वो। कभी भूल ना पाएंगे तुम्हें, क्योंकि अपने गम को भुलाकर हमारा भला चाहते हो तुम। These are the feelings of your students. Let's have one more video made by the girls of class 12th.
जब आए थे तो तुम्हें देखकर एक बार घबराए थे। कौन है ये सोचकर मन ही मन गुदगुदाए थे। हमारे लड़खड़ाते कदम तुम्हारी ओर चलकर आए थे। तुमने हमारी नन्ही उंगलियों को थामा, उन लड़खड़ाते से कदमों को बेहतर बनाया। खड़े रहे आंधी और तूफानों में काबिल बनाया। कठोर से कठोर सच कह सके, बच्चों का ऐसा मेल सिखाया। अरे जमाना कहता है कि सूरत माँ से पर सीरत तो तुमने ही दी। अब कभी जब जिंदगी के किसी अनजाने से मोड़ पर हम बोलेंगे तो तुम कहीं ना कहीं सुनाई दोगे। जब हम लड़ेंगे जीवन की अनजानी सी चुनौतियों से, इस संसार की गलत रीतियों से, तो तुम कहीं ना कहीं किसी रूप में हमारे भीतर जीवित होते दिखाई दोगे, जीवित होते दिखाई दोगे।
था जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राह पर बने वहीं। था जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राह पर बने वहीं। मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान। नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे आजादी अखियां ने, सपने अमराने ए सपने अमराने। फूल जोड़ेंगे तल तल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे, फिर ना समंदरा दे, फिर ना समंदरा दे। ऐसे खड़े है जाना करे, ना कम हमको तो ऐसी सिद्धते आने जनूनी बड़े। अगर कहना भूल एक जिंदगी मेरी तो ख्वाहिशा, एक तुम्हें पूरी तरह। एक जिंदगी मेरी तो ख्वाहिशा, एक तुम्हें पूरी तरह। एक जिंदगी मेरी
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आपदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते बिना खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ।
I was holding my pencil, sitting sadly, trying to write
but failing miserably. You held my hand and moved it till I got the hold of it. Writing those first few words led to writing this poem afterwards. From speaking in class to stepping on stage, you were always there, supporting off stage, always working without any breaks, helping us even when our head aches, smiling at us, encouraging us to do our best, working hard without any rest, making us study hard, sometimes even scolding us. But we know you don't love us any less. The euphoria I feel after remembering all this makes me believe that in your embrace, I'll always experience bliss.
For the world, the day started with sunrise, but for us, meeting you was a real shine. These are the words of one of your students. Yes, gear up, guys. One more very interesting game for you. And the name of the game is Treasure Hunt. Now I request Vikram Mansar to tell you about the game. Over to you, Mansar.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear colleagues. Well, these 12th class girls, they presented such a beautiful, touching, and such a sweet kind of, presentation. It was touching you. And the reminiscence of the memories, they took us back into nostalgia. Nobody thought that one day we would be sitting and celebrating Teachers' Day like this. But with none of our choice, this unprecedented situation of COVID-19 has put not only us, the whole world in such a situation. But the optimistic thing is that we are still connected. We are doing and will do the best possible for our students. We are all in such a situation that except this connectivity through online, we don't have any other alternative. But we will keep on, still many miles to go, and we'll cover that. Now, before going further, I have the responsibility of presenting or making you all a part of the game called Treasure Hunt. This is basically a game where you have to find certain articles which are around you in your own homes. We are all in our own homes. And whenever I say or name any article, you will be given a specific time, and that is 30 seconds. And you will, whosoever comes first with that article and announces it, shows it on the screen, will be the winner. Well, my special good luck to gents, because most of the time, they are in such a situation that what is where in the house, they are most often dependent on their counterparts. So special, good luck to them. For this, I told you we will have 30 seconds, and the winner will be one who presents the article at the earliest. Well, there can be a situation of confusion also. there can be a very minute difference in presenting the article. So in that sense, Mr. Chitrakumar, Mrs. Khurana, and Sikhi ma'am, there will be the final binding judges who will decide at the time of very minute difference that who showed the first one. Okay, and the time 30 seconds will be recorded or taken into consideration by Sikhi ma'am. She will take care that 30 seconds is over, and at that time, otherwise most of you, I hope, you will present your article before that time. I hope we should begin now.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Before the start of the game, all the members of Team DAV Thermal are requested to switch on their camera.
Yes.
If your camera is off and you have searched that article, even then you will not be able to present to the judges.
Exactly.
Switch on your camera first, then start the game.
Right. I hope you are all
Over to
ready
you,
now.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Now, my first article for you is very useful things, but most often we keep these things here and there, and when the time is there, we keep on asking where I left that. First article is a nail cutter. Your time begins now.
सर रिपीट करो क्या बोला है?
Nail cutter.
Yes, ma'am. I have shown.
Okay. Poonam, I think Poonam ma'am is the first one to show.
No,
Who is the Poonam ma'am? Your name goes there before nail cutter, Poonam ma'am. Maybe when we are there in the school reopens, I request ma'am that she may give you prizes also. That Poonam is the winner for this one. My next article is a black pen.
What? Thank you, sir.
Okay, I think Alka ma'am.
Alka ma'am.
If I'm sure, Alka ma'am, yes. Next article.
I too showed it within a second, sir. Here it is.
Pardon, Kusum ma'am?
I said I showed it within a second because it lies with by my side only.
Okay, they are often, here and there only. Next article is scissors. Now you have to run off.
Yes.
Okay, Poonam ma'am, you are having scissors on the table?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing? You are doing some sort of... Okay, Poonam ma'am goes for scissors, second time.
Sir.
Okay,
Scissors
now,
with cremated.
pardon?
Yes, sir.
Already, Poonam ma'am, she's having scissors all the time on her table. Maybe she's doing some cutting work.
सर पता करो पेपर लीक हो चुका है पता करो.
No ma'am, paper is not leak. Actually, these things are very common. Teachers usually teaching up to 8th class, they need these scissors most of the time. For their own children and to make certain articles from paper and all that. No problem. And I'm sure paper is not, has not leaked. There is no leakage in the paper. My fourth article is needle. Now,
Needle.
Poonam ma'am, do you have it on the table? Time is running. Hurry up. Okay, ma'am. Can you this is the needle.
It's the complete box she assigned.
Ma'am is having a complete
Yes, sir.
box. Sir.
Needle.
Geeta ma'am is the winner. Right, ma'am. Right. हो गया. Thank you. हो गया Geeta ma'am. Okay. Now, Gents, get ready. Your turn.
Video step.
The next.
Okay, Seema, ma'am. Is it,
Yes,
is
sir.
it, your
Yes,
turn?
sir.
Bring it
Yes,
closer,
sir.
please. Right.
Sir, I didn't hear. This time I didn't hear.
Sir, सुनिए सुनाई नहीं दिया.
Oh,
I missed.
is it a sanitizer? Okay, Seema man is the winner for deodorant. Now the next article is a 10 rupee coin.
नहीं है.
A 10 rupee coin. Chitra Kumar sir, bring it out from your purse. It's running out. Hurry up. Okay. Anju ma'am, bring it closer, whether it is 10 or...
Vikram sir, can I show 2 5 rupee coins?
No. Already...
I'm also having, see. I'm also having.
Okay, winner is Anju ma'am.
Aarti ma'am.
Please
Now,
mute
next
yourself.
article
There is lot of disturbance. Please mute.
Okay, the next article is a necktie. A necktie.
Or what?
Tie. A necktie.
Necktie is very far away. I'm not going to.
Run for that. Okay, Manisha ma'am. Necktie is very close to you. Okay, Manisha ma'am is the winner
Yes,
for this.
Manisha ma'am. Back to back.
Now, the next one is very unexpected. In this, weather, a pullover. A pullover.
सर सब पैक होके अंदर रखे हुए निकलेंगे नहीं 30 सेकंड में.
Don't worry, ma'am. That is what I told.
No one is going to open the box.
Yes.
Got it.
Many of you have,
Got it, sir.
Nafisa ma'am has
Nafisa
just closed
ma'am.
out. Nafisa
Sunny
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Mohita
Nafisa
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay.
Sir, I have
Now-
brought, see.
Already,
I brought-
Nafisa ma'am got it. Okay, no problem. A washing brush. A washing brush. Okay, Neelamala ma'am has gone to bathroom.
Sir, Poonam has brought it.
Okay,
I have told you.
Aarti ma'am. Aarti ma'am.
Yes.
Neelamala ma'am, you got a bit late.
बदल लेट कर दिया मैंने वॉशिंग में.
नीलम अरोड़ा मैडम थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया, बाथरूम दूर था. Okay. Next article is an electric multi-plug.
Electric?
Okay. Just on the top of the table. Oh, Neelam ma'am, here you got it. No problem. Yes.
This is extension.
No problem.
Seema Ahuja ma'am. Sir, Seema Ahuja ma'am.
And this is also
Dr. Seema Ahuja ma'am.
Should we take it, multi-plug and extensions are different?
Yes, ma'am, that is a
Sir, this is also
Yes, sir, multi-plug is that Seema Ahuja ma'am is showing that. Multi-plug.
Okay then. Seema Ahuja, no problem. Sorry, Neelam ma'am. Okay.
now I came to know the difference between both. Thank you.
Me too. Actually, I thought this is also multiply. But this is extension, no problem.
I think the same.
Right. Now the next one is a black and white photograph.
Black and white?
Photo.
Black and white.
Black and
Black
white.
and white passport size photo होगी किसी की पर्स में नहीं. Alka ma'am, sir,
Anjiv's colored, I think.
It is black and white.
Alka ma'am is showing. Alka ma'am is shown first.
Anji, Bhupender sir. You will
Sir,
all
can you
be
see the
quiet
photo?
now. Bhupender sir is showing. Bring it closer, sir. क्या है ये? किसका में क्या है सर?
My grandmother.
ओह अच्छा है सर. Keep it safe क्योंकि ये चीजें मेमोरी हैं.
My father in the pit. My father in the pit.
बहुत दूर है. So black and white फोटो में अलका मैम विनर. अब देखिए जल्दी से सब भागेंगे टुवर्ड्स द किचन. एक बेलन जो सबसे पहले दिखाएगा. बेलन.
सर ब्रेकफास्ट बन रहा है, मैं अभी ला नहीं सकती. नहीं तो मुझे गाने
सबसे पहले मेरा
मैडम आपका बजा हुआ है.
बेलन सबसे पहले मेरा है. फिर भी आ गया.
सर मेरा क्लीन है, बिल्कुल साफ है.
Okay now let me read the result again. Please mute yourself.
Please unmute yourself. You are requested to mute yourself, please.
Please mute yourself. तो विनर्स हुए नेल कटर में पूनम मैम, ब्लैक पेन अलका मैम, सीजर्स पूनम मैम अगेन, नीडल गीता मैम, डिओड्रेंट सीमा मैम, 10 रुपी कॉइन. हेलो, is there any confusion? डिओड्रेंट में सीमा मैम, 10 रुपी कॉइन अंजू मैम, नेकटाई मनीषा मैम, अपुलोवा नफीसा मैम, a washing brush आरती मैम, an electric multiplug सीमा मैम, a black and white photo again Alka मैम, a balloon आरती मैम. So there are 2-3 people who are getting more than one time winner, but doesn't matter, you all are winner. We had a little fun. Thank you all. Over to you ma'am.
Yes. Thank you sir. Sir, ये treasure hunt from house hunt ज़्यादा था, isn't it?
Yes.
Hope you all enjoy this unique treasure hunt.
Yes, ma'am.
In very share of your living room.
Every house has
मैम
a treasure.
लॉकडाउन में मान करना ना पूरा घर संभाला है, इसलिए हमको घर ही याद आ रहा था.
That's why I gave given it a name house hunt.
अगर मैं इसका एंकर नहीं होता तो डेफिनेटली मैं कुछ ना कुछ तो जीतता यहाँ पर.
Now, one of our alumnus, Vikas Yadav, has sent us a video to pay tribute to his teachers and alma mater. Let us see that video now.
All of you are requested to off your audio and video, please.
वो जगह जहाँ बड़े हुए, जहाँ हमने सीखा अपने आज और अपने कल को बेहतर बनाना. पर आज उन सबसे मिलने का मौका मिला, उनके बिना शायद ये सफर पूरा ना होता. तो आइए आज जरा करीब से जानते हैं.
दिन था जब हम लास्ट हमारा स्कूल था और उस दिन लॉकडाउन शुरू हो गया था. तो प्रिंसिपल मैम ने हमें बोला कि अब आपको वर्क फ्रॉम होम करना पड़ेगा। तो हमारे लिए हम बहुत ऑन दैट डे वी वर टू मच शॉक्ड कि हाउ कैन वी स्टार्ट द टीचिंग फ्रॉम आवर होम, ओके, so the students are not in front of us, okay, so on that time on that day we were too much surprised and shocked, but with the guidance of our principal ma'am, the guidance and the support of our IT faculty, हम काफ़ी हद तक मैं ये कहूँगी कि हम बच्चों तक पहुँच गए और हम अपनी जो हम अपनी टीचिंग प्रॉपर वे में अब हम बच्चों तक पहुँचा रहे हैं। We made the PPTs हम लोगों ने बनाई, उसके बाद हम उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग करते थे। तो रिकॉर्डिंग के टाइम हम लोगों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स कई बार आ जाती हैं, जैसे सपोज हमसे कोई एक वर्ड भी गलत बोला गया तो हमारी वो पूरी की पूरी जो वीडियो है वो स्पॉइल हो जाती है और हमें दोबारा से उसको बनाना पड़ता है। मेरा बेटा भी इसमें मेरी हेल्प करता है, हम अपने बच्चों से भी हेल्प लेते रहते हैं क्योंकि IT की हमें इतनी नॉलेज नहीं है। बहुत हमने इस पैंडेमिक टाइम में भी हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। अगर मैं बहुत ही शॉर्ट वर्ड्स में अगर ये बात कहूँ कि इन दिस टाइम हम लर्निंग बाय डूइंग कर रहे हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड द लर्निंग बाय डूइंग, ओके। तो ये भी एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हमारा रहा और अभी चल रहा है, पर हम चाहेंगे कि जल्दी से जल्दी हमारे स्कूल खुल जाएं और हम बच्चों से स्कूल में ही जाकर मिलें।
मैं सबसे पहले ये कहना चाहूँगी कि चिल्ड्रन ग्रो व्हेन दे एक्सप्लोर। बच्चा तब ज़्यादा सीखता है जब वो अपने हाथों से कुछ काम करता है, और जो हमारी मेथड है, जिस प्ले मेथड हम जो टीच कर रहे हैं, मेथड में क्या है कि हम बच्चों को बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ प्रोवाइड करते हैं जिसमें बच्चा खुद एक्सप्लोर करता है और बहुत सारी खुद सीखता है। बुक्स जो हैं वो हमारे टूल्स हैं, बुक के थ्रू हम बच्चों को करते हैं। जो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज है वो बच्चा क्लास में बहुत अच्छे से सीख पाता है क्योंकि क्लास में उसको बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हैं, बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ करने को मिलती हैं जिसके थ्रू बच्चा बहुत जल्दी लर्न कर लेता है। और दूसरी बात ये है कि बुक्स के साथ कोई भी किसी को भी पढ़ा सकता है, पर जो हम क्लास में बच्चों को इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज़ प्रोवाइड करते हैं, उनके टॉयज़ प्रोवाइड करते हैं, उनको जो सिलेबस से या करिकुलम से रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं वो जब बच्चा करता है तो उससे वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से लर्न कर सकता है। बताना चाहूँगी कि थिंकिंग स्किल क्या है कि बच्चा जब खुद किसी चीज़ को कर रहा है या बच्चा खुद जब एक्सप्लोर कर रहा है चीज़ को तो वो बहुत अच्छे से सीखता है। जैसे सपोज मान लीजिए हमने बच्चों को क्ले दे दी, क्ले से हमने बच्चों को बोला कि कुछ भी बनाइए, तो बच्चे ने जो उसके इमेजिनेशन से जो चीज़ वो बनाएगा उसको टीचर कैन एक्सप्लेन कि देखो ये इस तरह से तुमने ये चीज़ बनाई है या तुमने इसको राउंड शेप में बनाया है, वो बनाता है तो उसका वो स्किल डेवलप होता है।
शायद हम समझ न सके लेकिन कोशिश जरूर कर सकते हैं। कुछ बनाने से बहुत कुछ होने तक का सफर इनके बिना आसान नहीं, पर आज वो बहुत सी बातें हैं जो हम सब जानते जरूर हैं पर महसूस शायद आज करेंगे।
टीचर्स के लिए भी और सारे वर्किंग वुमेन के लिए जो चैलेंज आई वो ये रहा कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के लिए हम लोग अपने घरों में हाउस हेल्प को, मेड्स को अपने नहीं बुला सकते थे। वो हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम थी इस टाइम, क्योंकि इस टाइम देखा जाए तो सारे ही घर में होते थे और चाहे वो बच्चे हमारे बाहर पढ़ रहे हैं, जॉब पे हैं, वो सब आ गए घर में और वो सब वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं। बट एज ए मदर वर्क फ्रॉम होम उसके साथ साथ हमको घर का काम भी करना पड़ा. तो दैट वाज आल्सो अ चैलेंज फॉर द women, especially I think so. It may be challenge for males also, but मुझे तो ये लगा कि ये चैलेंज एक टीचर्स के लिए और रहा कि हमें जो है दोनों चीज़ों का बैलेंस बना के चलना पड़ा. और हमारा स्कूल भी जो है 24/7 ही हो गया, क्योंकि हमको कभी भी जो स्टूडेंट्स की क्वेरीज को उनको सेटिस्फाई करना पड़ता है, उनका आंसर देना पड़ता है. कॉल्स का भी जब भी कॉल आती है, जब कॉल करते हैं हम लोगों को उनको आंसर करना पड़ता है. तो दैट वाज आल्सो अ चैलेंज, और इट इज अ चैलेंज स्टिल, क्योंकि अभी भी लॉकडाउन ही चल रहा है. ये तो अभी भी एक चैलेंज ही है. अब जो है ये जो टीचिंग हो गई रियल से वर्चुअल पे आ गई. अब हमारे सामने क्या प्रॉब्लम आई एज ए साइंस टीचर, जो मैं स्कूल में प्रैक्टिकल्स कराती थी, मेरे पास सारे मटेरियल्स थे, हमारे पास बहुत अच्छी लैब्स हैं हमारे स्कूल में, बट अब घर में क्या करें. तो घर के लिए हमने क्या किया, घर में जो है हमारी किचन में कोई चीज़ थी, कोई एसिड्स पर आने, बेसिस पर आने, वो हमने कुछ यूज़ किए. और इसके अलावा कोई साउंड का चैप्टर है, उसमें कैसे साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है, कोई हमने म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट हमारे घर में पढ़ा था, इस तरह से हमने यूज़ किया. कोई हमने मोशन पढ़ाना है, उसके लिए हमने हमारे घर में जैसे जो बैट बॉल थे या हमारे पास बैडमिंटन है, उनका हमने यूज़ किया. तो हमने घर में ये सारी चीज़ें यूज़ की. और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि हम लोग जो यहाँ पे मार्च और अप्रैल में थे, वहाँ से हम बहुत अच्छी तरह बेटर पोजीशन पे आए. इसके अलावा हम लोग बहुत नई चीज़ें सीखी. चाहे ये चैलेंज रहा, पर इसका एक बेस्ट पार्ट ये रहा कि हमने इससे बहुत कुछ नया सीखा, जो कि अदरवाइज हम रेगुलरली शायद ना सीख पाते, ना ही हमें ज़रूरत पड़ती और ना हम सीखते. पर जो है इसका एक जो है हम मिस क्या करते हैं, हम बच्चों की इंटरेक्शन मिस करते हैं, उनके जो है क्वेरीज मिस करते हैं, उनकी क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग मिस करते हैं, उनकी शरारतें मिस करते हैं. ये सारी चीज़ें हमें अप टू डेट रखती हैं. जो उनकी क्वेरीज हैं वो हम जो है उसके लिए हमें एक्स्ट्रा बुक्स पढ़नी पड़ती है, लाइब्रेरी जाना पड़ता है, नेट सर्च करना पड़ता है. वो चीज़ हम थोड़ा मिस करते हैं. अदरवाइज जो है ये चीज़ें हमें एनर्जेटिक भी रखती है. चाहे हम बच्चों से गुस्सा हो जाते हैं उनकी शरारतों पर, वो हमें एनर्जेटिक भी रखती है, चीयरफुल भी रखती हैं, और हमें उनके साथ बच्चा बनाती है.
जब हमें पता लगा कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से छुट्टियाँ पड़ी है, तो हमें पहले काफ़ी खुशी हुई थी. लेकिन अब जब हमारा धीरे धीरे स्टडी का बर्डन हो रहा है, तो सिर्फ टीचर ही है जो हमारी हेल्प करा रही है. स्कूल टाइम में भी मैम ही थी जो हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट करती थी और प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन निकालती थी. लेकिन इस सिचुएशन में भी हमें कोई डाउट हो या कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा हो, तो सिर्फ मैम ही है जो हमारी हेल्प करती हैं.
Being a mother, I know that it is very difficult to handle a small kid. By online classes, teachers taking a lots of interest, lots of efforts to engaging the students. I appreciate their hard work, and students also getting lots of technical things from the online classes. I really appreciate and really thankful to all the teachers.
जिंदगी में बहुत सी चीजें सामने आई, और ये वो लोग थे जिनका किरदार माँ बाप से कम नहीं.
टीचर जो हमारे लिए एफर्ट्स उठा रहे हैं, हमारी हेल्प कर रहे हैं, हमारे पढ़ने में मदद कर रहे हैं, तो हमारा भी कुछ फर्ज बनते हैं कि हम उन्हें बेटर से बेटर रिजल्ट दे पढ़ने में, जिससे उनकी मेहनत खराब ना हो.
आने वाला कल बेहतर होगा, उस पर शक मत करना, पर आज जो बीते कल में भी मुस्कुराता हूँ, उसके लिए बस शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ.
सेंटी कर दिया सबको? स्कूल की याद आ गई? बट पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. We have one more very interesting game for you. Guess work, guess word. Alka ma'am will tell you the rules. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shiki ma'am. Yes, I'm not so good at drawing. Even then, I will be doodling some stuff in front of you. And based on that, you have to guess what it could be. The one who will guess the word first will be the winner. So don't be shy to type the words in chat box because as Amitabh Bachchan has said, fastest finger first. So better get ready to type as soon as I begin to draw. प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट मत कीजिएगा, चैट बॉक्स में ही लिखिएगा. और क्योंकि मैं अपना जैम बोर्ड यूज करूंगी तो मैं देख नहीं पाऊंगी. शिकी मैम प्लीज आप देखिएगा कौन ठीक वर्ड गेस कर रहे हैं. नाउ द फर्स्ट वर्ड is my screen visible?
No.
Now is it visible?
Yes.
Now the first word
Yes, keep on guessing. Other words?
Yes. The exact word is happy. Any guesses?
Yes, many teachers are correct. Geeta ma'am, first to answer.
Teachers Day.
Yeah, it is D. Happy Teachers Day to all of you. The next word. Yes, any guess? Now you can guess. Fish. Yes, it is fish.
Almost all of them have guessed correctly.
Okay, now guess this word. Any guesses?
I.
No.
I.
No. Now you can guess. Yes?
Anju ma'am, first to guess.
Aeroplane.
Yes, it is aeroplane. Now the science teachers can guess.
Caterpillar.
Another word. Sanjula madam, try.
Many of the teachers have guessed right. Caterpillar.
It is
Many.
centipede.
Centipede. Madam, is it centipede?
This word.
Teachers are
आप तो ध्यान भी नहीं देते कि क्या ड्रॉ किया है.
Good.
Yes, it is train.
Okay.
Chitrakumar sir, now it's for you. Yes, sir.
Stump. Tadpole. Yes.
Cricket pitch.
cricket.
Yes, it is cricket. Yes, anyone, all of you can guess this word. It is tap. Now guess this one. So simple.
Skyscrapers.
Yes, it is buildings.
And Moita ma'am was the first to answer it correctly.
Yes, this word.
Right.
Yes, so many teachers have given the correct answer.
Yes, it is kite. Good.
Aarti Sethi ma'am was the first.
शिक्षी मैम नोट कर रहे हैं.
Chair.
नहीं सर, इतनी भी खराब नहीं है. कुछ और.
Medical bed.
Yeah, bed. Yes, guess.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Yeah, elephant.
Don't mute yourself. Write down in the chat box, please.
Yes, any guesses? हम 25th दिसंबर को वेट करते हैं. Shiki ma'am, is there any right answer?
No.
Yes, ma'am. I gave Santa.
Yeah, it is Santa.
क्या हुआ?
Teachers are writing butterfly, angel.
Yeah, it is angel. Angel.
Many of them have written car.
Yeah, it is car.
Teddy bear, Mickey Mouse.
Teddy bear. मैं टेडी बेयर ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ, बाकी लग क्या रहा है पता नहीं.
अलका मैम थोड़ी अनु मैम से क्लास लेनी थी आपको.
बहुत डांट खानी पड़ेगी मुझे उनसे. वो तो इस समय बंद करके बैठ गई होंगी, देखा भी नहीं जा रहा होगा.
Teachers are writing rat, frog.
कैट भी लिख दो कोई.
Cat भी लिखा है. Cat also. Yes, butterfly. Teachers are writing butterfly.
बटरफ्लाई में ठीक ड्रॉ कर
Lady
लेती.
finger. Lady finger. One has written lady finger.
भाई वो देखो लेडी फिंगर तो ये कहीं से नहीं लग रही.
शुरू में लग रही थी मैम.
Lion, girl. Many of them are written girl.
Yeah, it is girl. ये तो सब को पता है.
Flower.
Yeah, it is flower.
Yeah. Many of them have written tree.
Yeah, it is tree. मेरी ड्राइंग इतनी भी बुरी नहीं है फिर. ठीक गेसेस आ रहे हैं.
National flag.
Yes, it is national flag. Jai Hind. Now over to Shikha.
Thank you, Alka ma'am. I hope you all enjoyed this unique way of celebration. Now, एक छोटी सी wish एक छोटे से बच्चे की तरफ से.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I am going to present a poem for all my sweet teachers. कभी डांट डपट कर प्यार जताया, कभी रोक टोक कर चलना सिखाया, कभी काले स्लेट पर चाक से उज्जवल भविष्य का सूरज उगाया, कभी ढाल बनकर हर मुश्किल से बचाया, कभी हक के लिए लड़ना सिखाया, कभी गलती बताकर कभी गलती बचाकर एक सच्चे गुरु का फर्ज निभाया, कभी माता पिता बन दी सलाह, कभी दोस्त बना हौसला बढ़ाया. आज कहते हैं उन टीचर्स को एक बड़ा थैंक यू, जिन्होंने हमें इस काबिल बनाया. थैंक यू.
हम टीचर्स हैं, हम भी कोरोना वॉरियर्स हैं. किसके हिम्मत है जो हमें रोक सके? कुछ ज्यादा तो नहीं बोल गई? टीचर्स को ज्यादा बोलने की आदत होती है ना. That's why. Now, I invite Principal Ma'am to give her greetings to all of us. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Shiki ma'am. First of all, you have made our day.
Thank
Can
you.
can I please request all the members of Team DAV Thermal to put on your camera? I want to see your smiling faces. It is your vision, it is your leadership that senior secondary wing, they have tried their level best to connect us. Earlier, it was a thought in the mind, it's a teacher's day, how we will wish all the teachers. And you have planned the day so beautifully. Within this 1 hour, we were feeling that we are at one place. Beautiful games played by all the members. I have seen your energy. For 1 minute, before we proceed further, for 1 minute, I want to see everyone's smiling face. Kindly put your camera on.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so very much, Senior Secondary Wing, Shiki ma'am, all the teachers, those who have been the anchors for wonderful games, all our students who have sent their beautiful videos, our alumni, our primary students, sending their e-cards. Thank you all, my dear students. Shiki ma'am, kindly help me if my screen is not visible. I'm facing a little problem here in the office. Network issue is there, don't know why, but there is. Is my screen is visible, Shiki ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Thank you, ma'am. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Par Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Gratitude to all the teachers who have taught us, with whose contribution today we are blessed that we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Yeah, सब गुरुओं हम we are feeling very blessed that we are teachers. लेकिन हमारे उन teachers की contribution के लिए we bow our head. Life never stops teaching, and we all are learning from each other, from our students. The hard work put in by teachers have been acknowledged by all our authorities. Our esteemed director, respected Kakadiya ma'am, she has conveyed telephonically a big salute to all the teachers to accept online challenge during COVID times. Our worthy chairman, Shri S.L. Sachdeva, Chief Engineer, Thermal Power Plant, he has posted his best wishes on school's Facebook page as best wishes to entire DAV faculty as they guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Happy Teachers' Day to all the members. Thank you, sir. Our honorable manager, sir, he has conveyed his wishes to everyone. विपरीत परिस्थितियों में सार्थक जीवन जीने का पाठ पढ़ाने, बेहतर और सुखद भविष्य के रचयिता शिक्षकों को सादर नमन और शुभकामनाएं. Thank you very much, manager sir. And our RO sir, Shri S.S. Chaudhary ji, he has conveyed best wishes for further endeavors in online teaching learning. Happy Teachers' Day to you all. Innovative teaching and learning. May it be preparing e-lectures that through initially videos or our PPTs supported by self-audio, easy class, OSM, live classes, preparing online unit tests, and whatnot. It is exploring self, and we all have learned a lot, and the journey is still on. Command in a classroom full of students to a small blip on a tiny screen of our laptop or the mobile. This pandemic has not given us the time to plan, to prepare. We were just jumped into the situation. As कि हमने हाथ पैर मार के, we tried to manage the show. But honestly, we all are missing the presence of our students in the school. Few days back, I remember, when it was raining heavily in the afternoon, the scene, I was literally crying, and the scene was in front of my eyes. जब बारिश होती थी, how we do have to manage in the recess. शमी मैम वहाँ प्राइमरी की कॉरिडोर में खड़े होते थे, कैंटीन वाले वेंडर को वहां खड़े करते थे, नीरू मैम यहाँ सीढ़ियों में खड़े होते थे कि 9th-10th के बच्चे इधर से जाएं, उधर कॉरिडोर में शिखी मैम खड़े होते थे, नीचे वाली कॉरिडोर में नीलम मैम. कंप्लीट ऑल द टीचर्स दे वर ऑन टोज. ऑफ टाइम याद कीजिए, बस नंबर वाइज कॉल फ्रॉम सेंट्रल अनाउंसमेंट, बस नंबर ये लग गई, वहां से एक फोन करते थे नीलम मैम को, नीलम मैम लाइब्रेरी में अनाउंसमेंट करते थे. हमारे बच्चों का इंटेंशनली दे वॉक इन रेन्स, सॉक्स गीली करना, शूज गीले करना, अपने बैग्स को गीले कर देना. Honestly, I'm not aware you are missing or not. As I am on the campus, I'm missing my students and you a lot. And prayers to Almighty, return back those wonderful days. Yes, as Anju ma'am has already shared, you, everyone, may it be female member or the male member, you all are doing multitasking. Work from home and work for home. I repeat, work from home for your school and work for home for your family is really a toughest challenge. And you all have proved it. Many of the teachers have become so adept at online teaching that they have amazed themselves with their newfound expertise. I, in person, have discovered a new respect, honestly, a new respect for the teaching community. On the same hand, I wonder why our society, a few handful people only, they don't give the status and affection what we teachers deserve. The teacher's impact upon precious growing children is potentially infinite. Teachers affect eternity. Now, it is a time to sing the praises of unsung heroes, our teachers of DAV Thermal Panipat, as well as all the teachers across the globe. Happy Teachers Day from core of my heart to every teacher. Thank you so very much. Over to you, Shikhi ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Our team of senior secondary wing tried to make this day memorable for all of us. Hope you enjoyed to your fullest. Though there might be certain technical issues beyond our control, I apologize you for that too. Now let us close the program with a Shanti Path. Thank you everyone for being a part of this program and making it successful. Thank you once again. And now, if Principal Ma'am permits, you may all leave the meet. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, please. From core of my heart, it is 12:30, ma'am. The bus is about to move. Honestly, ma'am, on every single moment, कोई ऐसी moment नहीं आती पूरे दिन में जब मैं अपने actual school को आपसे relate नहीं कर पाती हूँ सबसे. So it is 12:30. As it is Teachers' Day celebration, now we can move back to our home. It's time to give the farewell again, and thank you so very much. God bless you all. Stay safe. Stay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So much,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you, Shiki ma'am.
Thank
It was a fabulous
Well
celebration.
arranged.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well planned and well
Thank you.
arranged. Everyone, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.